Alright, so first off, let's get this out of the way. Um, what kit did I buy? I ended up going with the Amazon kit. I went back and forth for a while about going with the more expensive brands. I ended up landing on the Amazon because I originally wanted to do a expensive versus cheap um, build out, but I was really shocked once I got the kit in and compared it to what was in the bike. Once I compared what was in there to the kit I got, dude, there was no quality difference that I could tell. Now I'm not a mechanic or by any means, so take that with what you want. Oh my goodness, this is rough. But from what I could tell, there was no noticeable difference in quality. I'm sure the more uh, higher priced stuff is better quality, but if you're talking about Honda reliability, I mean, it looked like it was made in the same factory, just to me. But I love I wanted to not like the big bore kit whenever I got it, but after having it and feeling the power, it really feels like it needed it. Like, yeah, you could go up stuff like this, but it took way more power. Like, I'm barely giving throttle, and it's just tractoring up this stuff. I mean, like it's not even struggling. I mean, you can hopefully hear the bike. Like, I almost stalled it because I wasn't giving enough throttle. And it's like, if you mash on the gas, look at that wheelie. Like, it'll pull the front wheel up without even popping the clutch. It'll just pick it up and spin the tires very easily. Like before, if you were in first gear, dead stop, nail the throttle, you're not picking the front of the front wheel up without popping the clutch. Now, now you can get that front wheel up. You have the acceleration. It's not 450 power by any means, but it's a big, big difference. And in my opinion, it was well worth it. I liked the XR how it was. Don't get me wrong, but this leveled up the bike. Ugh. Like this little hill climb right here. I say hill. It's big for me. Um, Not this one. I'm gonna have to turn around. But I used to have to get speed to get up this other side. Watch, I'm barely gonna crawl up it. Look at this. I mean, effortless, effortless. And that's how I'm stuck. That's how I'm hoping everything's gonna be. I haven't taken it to the trail yet to really get in some seat time. I was kind of hammering out the bike fully, trying to see if everything was put together, if there's going to be a weak point or whatnot. But it seems like everything is really solid, really well put together, and it it really seems like it's going to last. Um, Top speed, like I said before, didn't change, which is not going to. You enlarge the piston to get more low end torque. Um, you're not upping the RPM. RPM would be like your camshaft. That would up your top speed, which the top speed for this bike is, it's, it's fine for what it is, you know? It's, it's only, I wouldn't want to go 80 miles an hour on this bike. I think it would just feel really odd and really unstable. the frame of the bike, the tires, like I really don't think it's like made well enough and weighted properly to go that fast. But with that said, like the low end power that you gain on this, if you really do enjoy trail riding or even if you want to do more street oriented stuff, this is definitely a worthwhile kit. I'll do some more videos on it later, but thanks for watching, like and sub.